And now remove the light pipe, which is located right over here, right by the LED, by pushing on it, and it should come right out. If not, just use a little tiny hammer to knock it out of its place. Now, you are able to push the motherboard out of the unit, like so, and it comes right out. Take the little cover that's covered the switch, set it aside, and these are the insides of the unit. And now we can start replacing it. Take the replacement motherboard and battery out of the bag. Take your switch cover and place it in on top of the switch, and just place the replacement in to the cavity. Make sure that it's nice and flush. It goes all the way down. Pat it down. Now we're going to start reassembling it. Take your 2 Phillips screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Pop it in. Put the other one in. Take your light pipe, push it in from the side, and apply a tiny bit of glue, which we will supply you with right between the LED and the light pipe. That will hold the light pipe in. Now, please make sure that the little cup over here, the little silicone cup, is firmly in the motherboard and it's not moving. It doesn't come out. Next, just take the bottom part, flip it over, and move the little plastic cover to make sure that it's freely moving. Now insert the middle screw, tighten it down. Take your larger flathead screwdriver, place it on the end of the screw just like that, and it should be fairly easy to insert it into the hole. Take the other one, insert it, don't tighten it, just leave it in there loose. Now we're going to take our heating coil with our tweezer, insert it back into the hole on each prong. Make sure that you push it down all the way with your thumb holding the heating coil down. Tighten the 2 screws on either side. Make sure they are nice and snug, but not over tightened where it breaks the coil. And now take your tweezers, and by holding it on the back end, just kind of give it a little bit of a pull so that it's about 4 millimeters from the bottom part of the unit. So this should be about 4 millimeters. There is a little wooden dowel that we supply to you guys, and this is a little gauge that you should be able to put underneath the coil. That's when you know that it's the right height from the unit. Once you remove this, you will just reassemble the unit, put the top back on, and By blowing into the USB port, you confirm that the coil had turned on, and you should be all set.